Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 5 ripe bananas, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of butter. In a bowl, mash your bananas, then set them aside until later. In a separate bowl, add the flour, baking soda, and salt, then whisk together until well combined. Cream together the brown sugar and butter. Now add your eggs and continue to mix. Now add the bananas and mix until well combined. Fold your wet ingredients into your flour mixture and mix until just combined. Add your batter to your lightly oiled loaf pan, then transfer to the preheated oven. Allow your bread to cook for 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. After 60 minutes, remove your bread from the oven and place it on a wire rack to cool. After your bread has cooled, it is ready to serve. If you're looking for an easy and tasty banana bread recipe, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.